Hello guys, welcome to my vlogs. Today I'm making a tasty and healthy recipe that's chicken palak. So here are the ingredients: potatoes, onions, ginger garlic paste, freshly grated tomato puree. I have here marinated chicken which I have marinated with the curd and some spices. Here I have kept the cooker for heating it. Now I have added some oil, just about 2 spoons, big spoon of course. Let the oil get heated. It's a very healthy recipe, guys, because we have your chicken and spinach at the same time. I have added the bay leaf in the oil. Before that, I have added jeera. Now I added onions. Give it a mix. Now saute the onions until it becomes golden brown in color. We can recognize after 5 to 10 minutes whether they are cooked or not. Here you can see they are cooking, soft and dense. It's important that onions get cooked properly in every non-veg recipe. Here is a ginger garlic paste which I'm gonna add right now. After onions are being a bit sauteed, let's give it a stir. Guys, I have added this chili powder. It's just 1 tablespoon of chili powder I have added in the onion. Now I'm gonna add freshly grated tomato puree. I have taken 2 big tomatoes. Now let's give it a mix. Guys, I have taken potatoes. As you all can see, it's optional, not necessary. Potatoes are generally used in mutton recipes rather than chicken, but right now I have taste just for a different taste. Guys, this is ready-made chicken masala which we get in the market. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of it. Now let's give it a mix. Here is 2 tablespoons of salt as per taste, of course. Give it a mix, and now it's spinach time. Let's add spinach little by little and give it a stir. After adding little spinach, then we're gonna have the whole spinach in it. I have added all the spinach in my cooker and the mixture of tomatoes and onion. Let's give it a mix. As you all can see, spinach is starting to getting cooked, and now it's time to add our chicken which I have been marinated for 5 to 6 hours. You can marinate it for 2 to 4 hours or 1 hour, doesn't matter as far as it gets cooked. But when you marinate it for a long time, it really cooks faster and tastes wonderful. I have added just lemon, curd and some spices in the marination. Now let's give it a stir after adding my chicken in it. Now it's a very rare combination of spinach and chicken. Some people find it too different, but it's not that. It's really a good recipe. Everyone must try it. As we can see, the mixture is boiled. Let's cover it with a lid. Now let's saute the onions until it becomes golden brown in color. We can recognize after 5 to 10 minutes whether they are cooked or not. Here you can see they are cooking, soft and dense. It's important that onions get cooked properly in every non-veg recipe. Here is a ginger garlic paste which I'm gonna add right now. After onions are being a bit sauteed, let's give it a stir. Guys, I have added this chili powder. Is just 1 tablespoon of chili powder I have added. Our chicken palak is ready to eat. So please do try this recipe. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, my vlogs. Thank you for watching guys.